Welcome back, guys. This is your good old maple green, the good old maple syrup. I'm back with KB1 Construction. As you know, the best bricklayer in the business is the boss, right? Now I'm going to be putting a few bricks on the wall today. So if you have any comment about the way I put it, don't be afraid to say it. I can take it. I can take a big hit and I can take a small hit. Okay, guys. You know, as always, clean the cavity of my wall to make sure we have breathing behind the wall and not too much mass. Yeah, cut that one for me, please. Yeah, I'll keep it on up. Yeah. One more up. The boss wanted this wall finished today. I hope I can do that for him. These bricks are the very small bricks, so gotta be very gentle with them. Master, my friends. Bricks feel so light in my arm. Did you cut that brick for me yet, buddy? The boss have a timeline on me, man. To put right over here where we have the light box. So I'm going to leave this mass and start from this end until the guy comes with the cut brick. Today is really hot today, maybe about 27 degrees. So I might have to take this sweater off. Put a wall tie right at the window here. I always put a wall tie straight across, tying the bricks. I made sure I bend this wall tie, put it across, and then nail one right into the wall to hold the wall steady. Bend this, put it across, and then we're good to go. Thank you, sir. Now the guy's back with my brick, and he's going to be fitting that brick for me. Wow, isn't that nice? Should have lots of laborers doing the same thing, helping out the bricklayers, getting to learn the work. You put it in? It's right before you, right over here. Right here. No, man, yes. He lost his eyes for a moment there, eh? He lost his vision, man. Put the brick down and can't find where he puts it. Make sure it's running level with the... Yes, yeah. Just work with this.
Joint tight.
Yeah, that's okay.
You alright with the joint tight?
Yeah, well, you know, you can cut him again, you can move him up. They're all tight from the bottom up. Okay, you can put those two bricks, right? Will help you. So at least we get it done fast. Got it, man. Got it.
Whatever.
You can put the next one. I hope it fits. Next time you fool down here with more mass, you know, you can lift up the bottom so you share it equally. Understand?
Okay.
And put some mass underneath the bottom there. I think you might. No. Let me get one. I will have to cut one. Here. Yes, sir. And then you put the line up. And then we're gonna need mass. Gonna take a measurement here just to make sure we're working for the window and the numbers that we're working is right. Whether we need to tighten up or we need to open up. Make the joints a little bit bigger. Now we're at 9. So no more masses on the board here. So I'm gonna take it from the other side. Oh yeah, we got some mass here. Oh, I'm gonna use and done this so. If me can do it in 1.5, me know me good. That is saying 2 hours. So if me can do it in 1.5, me good. See right over there. Let me get it for you. You can do it. Me gonna need some wall ties when you go back down, yeah? Wall ties, yeah. Yes, sir. Right, so I made sure I bend the wall tie. This brick will use this wall tie to hold the corner.
Water truck.
Water truck is here. Water truck is here.
Hot new people.
I'm about to take off my shirt.
Yeah.
But
Working a brief.
oh! God, you gotta bring the girls. I'm working my brief amongst men, eh? The good old Sanjay is on the line with me. For a guy who just started the business, I think he's doing very well. Just need to keep up what he's doing. Sooner or later, he's gonna become you guys' fan. The good old Chris is a whole soul. Chris, stay a little bit above the line, okay? Remember, after this course, you gotta put some wall ties.
Do you have water, Amari?
No, I may have a few. I don't believe I have enough.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Make sure we put the wall ties exactly in the 2x4. You can follow the studs here. Just look at the stud and make sure the wall ties is going where we want it to go.
Hey, Green.
Yeah.
In my day, the stubs were supposed to line up with that.
Yes, exactly.
Sorry, in my day. But
Yeah, it
those
changed.
days are long gone.
Long gone, my friend. I tell you, from the Portuguese take over this job, it's all shit. And you guys are hearing me. I said it. They just do whatever they think is right. And they're always right. Oh my God. Nobody follow the precept anymore. The carpenter we're talking about, not bricklayers. Okay, give me the line now, buddy. When the Spanish and the Portuguese come back, man, you got to look for these studs. Sometimes they are 18 inches, sometimes they're 16 inches. So you just got to look. Knock the wall to feel where the 2x4 is, you know. Eh? Yes, I'm coming. I'm gonna take a look at Sanjay brick. They look good from afar. Nice, Sanjay. Very good, very good. Don't cut your mouth like that, Sanjay. Don't cut your mouth like this. Never. You line up your trowel. I'll show you how to line up your trowel when you're cutting your mask. Like this. With the line. Not under the line. With the line. So you. Yes, yes. Okay. Let me finish this side here. Yes, sir. Make sure it plumb. Make sure it plumb. Look at the level. Are you seeing the level?
Yeah.
2 inches from top down or bottom up?
2 inches from the bottom go up.
2 inches from the bottom of the brick? No.
No, from the top of the brick.
Oh, okay. So we have a 1 inch then. Put mask. Yeah, man, it fit now. You're a little bit too tender. Okay. Double. Now, me I say cock up, one brick cock up there, so. You can see it? No, go down. Yes, right there, sir. Right. Come up. Yes, yes. You cock up. And now I want you guys to put in some paper and tape the paper. Then we can do some joints after before we go for lunch. We're gonna put in 2 nails, one at the bottom, one at the top. And this is where we put the steel. So we get a little bit of reinforcement on the wall ties. Remember, you always have to bend your wall ties to the last screws that you're gonna be putting your steel. So there's something there to hold the brick itself. There's 2 things we respect. A man who respects his mother and a man who believes in God. Because them go hand in hand in the boss. You see, sometimes you old lady do some things in life and you mad and upset. But make somebody hurt out the road now. You see me, I show you? Me I say sometimes your parents can do some tough things in life to make you want to rat with them. Yeah. Make somebody hurt out the road and see how rat you become. You see what me I say? Yeah. Get power. When we do that one course here, we'll push the plank up. Oh God. Want to pull the paper back, right? Me put on something underneath it, don't worry. Maybe too high. Hold on. Lift up your side. Take one out. Okay. Good. Tell yourself.
Good.
Tell yourself. So you guys know, the labor got to take the brick, spread the mass, do the joints, and still laying brick with me. So don't follow the boss. The boss is not telling the truth right there. These guys are working hard. Lunch? Yes, dog. We feel better now.